ICE Trikes Go Chainless, agile, speedy and exceptionally fun. By integrating the CIXI PERS into their latest models, ICE Trikes has transitioned from a traditional mechanical drives to a pedal-by-wire experience. These models are allowing riders to convert pedaling energy directly into electrical propulsion, eliminating the need for chain or complex drivetrains, delivering a clean, maintenance-free and highly responsive way to ride. Riding an ICE PERS-equipped trike feels intuitive, natural and simply exhilarating. No gear shifting, reverse pedaling, clean, maintenance-free with regenerative braking, smooth operation and anti-theft technology. Oh, and it's quick! 0 to 30 km/h in under 3 seconds in dynamic mode. Phil Zische, ICE Trikes Head of Marketing, described the shift as
a major step forward in innovation for the Recumbent trike community, offering a fresh and exciting experience. We believe this could redefine what's possible in the trike industry. Our customers and riders are going to love it.
At CIXI, we provide the hardware and digital ecosystem that allows manufacturers like ICE Trike to focus on what they do best: building exceptional vehicles for an active lifestyle.